to meet each other, to meet your lover, your husband, your wife, your children, your mother, your father, or anyone else we can name, to meet them truly is a great act of courage. The courage to let go of everything that you think you know. We think that relationship is about giving and receiving, but actually it's about dying. It's about dying to who you think you are. It's about the death of your self-concept. It's about the death of your concept of other. It's about the death of everything that is false in you. That's why relationship is so painful. It brings up everything that is false in you. It brings up everything that is unconscious in you. It pushes all the buttons. Not because there's something wrong, because there's something very right in that. That's its purpose. To reveal everything that is still not meeting itself in the truth of awakeness. There's a lot of teachings that say there is no relationship, there is no world, there is no other, there is no self, there is no evolution, etc., etc. But everything is included. The ideas that we have about the world, the ideas that we have about relationship, the ideas that we have about other, about self, these are the things that are the illusion. These are the things that do not exist except in our own minds. But the movement that we call relationship, the movement that we call the world, the movement that we call you or me, all this exists. It exists as the something that is born out of nothing.